Embracing your calling can seem uneasy when you don't know where you are going. You only have this inner knowing that you are meant for something different than where you currently are. But where to turn to next can be challenging sometimes, making it feel like you are stuck with nowhere to go. This is because you are being called to look up, close your eyes, and go within, to secure your root with Mother Earth, to open your mind with Source, and secure your core with your well-being within yourself. The messages I help you interpret will guide you towards your own sense of security, your inner voice, your power to choose. As a Leo North node, I am meant to be seen. I am meant to be heard. I am meant to show you one of many ways to heal, to find your way, to reclaim the power of your voice by showing you how I have chosen my path, so that you too can choose yours. To show you what it's like to not settle for anything less than what you are deserving of, because simply by existing you are worthy of me and I of you. Simply by breathing you have value. Simply by living you reflect back to me the parts of me to embrace, to love, to desire. Your inner desires are calling you to align with your higher calling, for I am a healer with words, and you, my sweet reflection, are a healer with your touch. For I will never forget the moment you soothed my anxiety with no words, only a single touch. Because sometimes our reflections reflect the opposite, for even our opposites should be embraced. Even our opposites are worthy. Even our opposites are found deep inside you, a potential force that you have not yet accessed. Yes, there will be cycles to break and lessons to learn. You can get angry and frustrated with the universe, with God, with me, and with those who trigger you. But really, you are angry at yourself and the many reflections reflecting back at you. For I have been where you are, the rage inside, the internal conflict that leaves and comes back, the insecurity of not feeling worthy enough, of not knowing where to turn next, the exhaustion with each attempt to break free. It's okay. This is you learning that resistance is what holds you back from embracing all aspects of life as they are. Resistance holds you back from becoming. And when you are done fighting with your many reflections, you will feel an overwhelming sensation of relief. For the fear and rage of judgment comes from the conditional binary world we have been brought up in, a truth that is also an illusion far from the truth. Release control, catapult yourself, and surrender to your calling. You will see the path unfold from high above, for it is the path of least resistance, the road less traveled but also not. It is the path that requires you to let go of the old, transform, and allow things to come to you. For we are leaving the age of structured Capricorn, the age of rules, limitations, and hard work, and we are embracing the age of Aquarius, of rebellion, of change, innovation, and learning how to flow and be secure with the instability of the world. Are you willing to take the first step and rebel against the old you to embrace the ever-evolving, transformed you? Are you aligned with where you are meant to be? For change and power are the two constants in life. You can choose to reclaim your power and transform yourself with or without the steps I have outlined, or allow those who have more power to mold and change you. But don't worry, there is always the third way, the balanced way, of swaying back and forth between all three. For I am done fighting with my many reflections. Are you? If you'd like to learn which cycles and lessons to break free from your life, check out my Timeline Series courses, now available on my website. My name is Yubi, and this is my Transformed Truth. Thank you for watching You Becoming Healed. where I model and teach you how to own and transform your truth for healing. Until next time.